So how do you divide polynomials? That sounds really hard, isn't it? Hi, I'm Jimmy. I've been teaching college math for 9 years, and we're here to tell you few little steps on how to divide polynomials. Now, there's a basic structure, and as long as you remember the long division steps from previous courses with numbers, then those steps will carry over into dividing polynomials. There's one little detail that you have to keep in mind, but we'll get to that very shortly. Now, here's an example. You have 3x squared plus 2x plus 1 dividing by x plus 2. Now, first thing that you want to take note of is because you're dividing by two terms, your answer will begin with on the top of the second term. Now, what you want to think about first is these leading terms here. X times what is 3x squared? Well, that's going to be 3x. And because you're dividing by two terms, like I said earlier, your answer is going to appear on top of the second term first. Now, just like in regular long division, you're going to take that 3x and multiply it by the x plus 2 individually. So here we go. 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 2 is going to give you 6x. Normally, at this particular point, you will subtract. But here's one thing to keep in mind to make subtraction a lot easier. Change the signs. The 3x squared was positive, turn it into a negative. The 6x is positive, change that to a negative, because this is what happens. 3x squared minus 3x squared, that's completely canceled out. But 2x minus 6x is going to give you negative 4x. Now, just like in regular long division, you bring down the next number, the next term. So we're bringing down the plus 1. Same exact approach as we did before. X times what is going to give you negative 4x? That's actually going to be negative 4. Same thing. Take the negative 4, multiply by the x plus 2. So we have negative 4 times x is negative 4x, and negative 4 times positive 2 is going to give you negative 8. Now, just like we did before, though, when it comes to subtraction, the easiest thing to do is to change the signs. So the negative 4x becomes positive, the negative 8 becomes positive, negative 4x and 4x are canceled, and 1 plus 8 is 9, and that is your remainder. So I'm Jimmy, and that is exactly how you divide polynomials.